Welcome everyone to day 10. Today we're going to talk about the connection that you can get through the power of video. So if any of you have ever followed me, you know that I am constantly preaching the importance of using video to market yourself as well as to market your services and your business. And that is because video as a tool is extremely powerful. And the ways in which it's powerful is that if, say, for example, you're doing a networking call, somebody decides, I want to connect you to someone that I think makes sense for you to be connected to. I can speak for myself. When that happens, the first thing that I do with that person is I look them up on Google. And so I'll do a search. I not only want to see their website, which usually I'm provided with, but I want to see what their presence online is. And especially if I don't know anything about them, if I can find some sort of visual evidence that they are actually knowledgeable and an expert in what they do, then that really seals the deal for me. So if I find video content on them, whether it's actually on YouTube, which is usually a great sign, but even if it's a social media post, but it's a video post, it then just signifies to me that they are serious about their business, they're serious about marketing themselves and their knowledge and expertise, and that they are willing to showcase how they present themselves. So by the time I get on a networking call with them or a one-on-one call with them, I already know a lot about them. And so if I want to continue to develop a relationship with them so that I can refer them to other people, or potentially that I might want to work with them, I've already been able to ascertain, based on the information that I've been able to gather of them online, that they really do know what they're talking about. Now take this out of the context of a networking call. Imagine that this is a prospect that is doing their due diligence and they're searching to find if you actually can solve their problem. Not only do they get a taste for what your personality is like, but they actually get to have an understanding of whether you are qualified or not to answer and solve the problems that they have. So again, by the time they get on a call with you, and this has happened to me countless times, people will say, I feel like I know you already. And it's because they've seen my content online. So I don't think that this is something that you want to miss out on. So even if you're not that comfortable being on camera, start to get comfortable by at least creating videos, even if they're faceless videos to start off with, so that you can have a presence online and be able to take advantage of that power of video. So my question to you is going to be, how has video, if you're using video, how has video been able to help you connect with your audience? So if you can post that in the comments below, I'd greatly appreciate it. In the meantime, if you're still on the fence about creating content, in September, October, and November, I have 3 different workshops that are coming up that will help you create your first 2 faceless videos during the workshops. So check out the link either below this video or above, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. All right, take care.